Hello, this is A Robin's Nest by Teri. Getting back on track and getting fit for life. The host is Grace Life DIY, Creating with Chris, and Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle. Today, Chris is doing Total Body Fitness by Teri.
Oh, there we go. Good morning, everybody. Oh, I got some messages that you guys all liked my workout video. It is Friday morning, not my usual day to come here to the gym, but I am trying to get out of bed earlier. So we're going to do 10-minute stretch. I figured that if I cut this down into 10-minute segments, you guys could find time in your day to do them more, than my usual 40-minute class. So we're just going to start out by tapping side to side, start getting your body moving, and then we'll do 10 minutes of stretches, and that'll be it for the day. Just do something. And then my next video will be like arm day, leg day, aerobics day. Yeah, there's such a thing as aerobics. So I know that I hadn't had this planned, so just jump up out of your seat and just tap your feet back and forth. And we're gonna get you stretched out. It'll make you feel better today, it really will. I tell myself that anyway. Good morning. All right, guys, stretch your arms out to the sides, bring them up, touch your thumbs together, and stretch them all the way up. Trying to get your arms into your ears. You don't want to have frozen shoulders. Never do you want to have that. Push your arms to the back wall. Push them back past your ears. If you are unable to get those hands up, just get them up as far as you can. Okay, separate your arms. You're pushing to the back wall for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep them back there. I want you to slide your hands down, keeping them like you're pushing against the back wall, sliding your arms down. Right here, your shoulder blades should be contracted like they're trying to touch in the back. All right? You're going to move them back even further. Keep your hand and your elbow in alignment. Ready? Push them back for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, hold them back and bring them down. Cross them over so you get a good stretch across the top of your back. Lengthening your arms, open and go the other direction. Your arms should be kind of sore at the moment. Good morning, everybody. So we're going to stretch out your legs. Hold on to the edge of your chair if you need to. In fact, let me grab a chair. I should have done that. Bring your knee up, point your toe down, and just hold it here. You can do this if you're sitting as well. All right, take it down. Now pull it up so your leg comes out in front of you. And then you're going to take it out to the side. Pull the side of your foot up. And then you're going to take it to the back. Either take it to the back, if you can, grab hold of your ankle and touch your knees together. Otherwise, just put your foot out with your heel going up. And we're going to do it to the other side. Point your toe down. Then kick your foot out, keeping it up. Take it out to the side. Now bring it up behind you. And bring it down. So your arm goes over your head, reach all the way up. Your opposite hand reaches down to your knee. Get that arm up over your ear. Don't let it slouch down in front of you. So you're feeling the stretch right here in your waist. Keep going over. Every time you exhale, you're going down lower. It's a deeper stretch. Keep going down, down further. And then slowly come up because that's going to hurt coming up. Other side, stretch in both directions, straight up, straight down. Lean over. Exhale, go deeper. Exhale, go deeper. And then slowly come out of that. Whew. All right, sit in your chair. This is a really, let me make sure you can see, really good stretch for your hip. Push down on your knee and lift up on your foot. Okay, then you're going to do the other side. This one's really tight for me. And put it down. A great stretch is your legs are out wide. You reach down to your toes. You keep your nose parallel to the ground. Don't drop your head, but drop your elbows. Pull those toes up towards you. And that's an all over body stretch. You can put your feet in front of you too. This puts your body back in alignment. Reach down to your toes. Even if you're only reaching to your knees, it's still something. Reach down as far as you can go, pull those toes in and drop your elbows. And then slowly raise up. All right, a great neck exercise. Look to your right. Look as far back as you can. Come to the front. They're I Dream of Genies. You're leading with your elbow. Stay facing the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bring your arms down. Now you should be able to look even further behind you. Your neck turns further around. Okay, then we're going to go to the other side. To the front. Take it over for 8. 2, 1. Your hands come down. Look back over, and you're going to be amazed at how far back your neck will turn. Drop your chin to your chest and roll your head back and forth, and it will creak. This is a great one, especially if you're painting during the day, because your neck will get stiff. Then you have to counterbalance it by putting your neck up. Close your mouth, and I want you to push your tongue to the roof of your mouth for 8. Okay? Bring your arm across your chest. Get that shoulder down away from your ear. Pull it all the way across. And then to the other side. I can't see my comments, guys. I'll go through and look at them afterwards. Okay, bring your arm out in front of you and fold your fingers down. Get a good stretch all the way down your arm. And then the other side. Perfect for those of you who are painting. I've got arthritis, I can't do it very well. Make a fist and pop your fingers open. 8, keep them out and twist. Make a fist again, and like you're riding a motorcycle. 8. All right, balance. Balance goes with stretching. Put one foot in front of the other so your heel touches your toe. Pull your stomach in. because it's kind of easy to do it at this point, but what you need to do to make it harder is to balance, put the same amount of pressure on each foot so that you're trying to balance kind of right in the middle of your foot. And if you want, you can put your hands out. And it's harder than it looks. All right, we're going to do the same thing. Now you put the opposite foot, right toe touches your heel, take it out. Now get that weight right in the center of your foot. Okay, bring your arms down, take them up, touch them together, bring them down and cross them over. And 4, bring your arms together like this, twist to the back, leading with your elbow, and then to the other side. And bring it to the front. So there's a few stretches that will help make it better during the day. One more. While you're sitting there painting or crafting, come behind your chair. This is a great one for across your back shoulder blades. Your feet are under your hips, your arms length away from your chair. You don't want to drop your chin. You want to drop your nose down towards the ground. Every time you exhale, you go down a little bit further. And you will feel a stretch right across the top of your back. And I should have got a different timer. All right, so I wanted to tell you real quick about your posture. You remember, well, I was back in the 60s when in kindergarten, I remember having to put the book on our head and having to walk with proper posture. You know, we learned to curtsy, we learned all that stuff. Well, we don't do that anymore. And so many times as we grow older, we get lazy about walking. And so, I mean, it's just natural. I'm not making fun of anybody or anything, but we tend to let our shoulders go like this, to where the palms of our hands are facing our thighs. So if you watch yourself, you may see this, or you watch others. It's just natural. You're bent over, your back's kind of like this, and then when you walk, you get used to putting your feet out, and then you're walking like a penguin, like this. Okay? You don't want to walk like a penguin. You don't want your feet this way. You want your feet going straight out in front of you, and you want your shoulders rolled back. So the easiest way to do that, so this is how most people walk right now. You want to roll your shoulders to the back, stick your hands in your back pocket. That pulls you up. It pulls your shoulders back. It puts your neck in alignment. Your feet go straight out in front of you. So you roll back, you look up, and then you proceed with your walk, one foot in front of the other like usual. It will make you feel more powerful. It will make you feel better if you just walk the right way. Don't take the easy way out and just be lazy about walking and just going like this. Okay, because the more you do that, the more you'll continue to hunch over, the wider your stance is going to be. Roll those shoulders up, put your hands in your back pocket, pop your chest, pull your stomach in, and walk with your feet in front of you. So that's your tip for today. So you guys all go out and have a blessed day. Bye, everyone.